Okay, so this is the introduction to the macromolecule unit lecture. All right, there are the objectives. You have those in the PowerPoint, which you already downloaded. The quiz, the first quiz is over these first three objectives. And then the last week we spent over MM4. So this slide is one slide ahead of where you are in your PowerPoint. So just go to that next slide. But this is just an introduction slide. So you shouldn't spend a lot of time memorizing what digestion is, or that digestion is relying on macromolecules. This is just a setup slide to give you a background of why we're studying this. The four macromolecules we're going to talk about are these ones: nucleic acids, lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. Okay, and all of our macromolecules are carbon-based. So that's what makes them organic. Okay, so when we talk about macromolecules, we talk about how they're made. We talk about the what their building blocks are. And the building blocks for macromolecules are called monomers, mono meaning one. The macromolecules themselves are polymers. So they're polymers. So you get a bunch of monomers together, they make a polymer. So to use an analogy for this, if we have a brick, that is a monomer. But if we add another brick to it, in a series of bricks, we get a polymer. So for example, in a brick wall, the bricks are the monomers, and the wall itself is the polymer. And the stuff that holds them together in a brick wall is mortar, but for our macromolecules, what's holding the monomers together are the chemical bonds. So, like I said, so a brick would be the monomer in this analogy, and the brick wall is the polymer. To use an actual macromolecule, amino acids are the monomer, and the protein is the polymer.